Hey everybody, here watching Michigan Farmer 421. I'm Clyde, and today we are changing our valve cover gaskets on the Cummins, as long as the fuel lift pump gasket on the side. The gaskets we're going to be using are the Felpro ones. I have 6 of these, and it's just an O-ring, and that it should be pretty simple. I'm also on my ladder, so it's very easy to work on. Let me actually move it over a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to set you guys up, and I will explain how the process works. Okay, so these valve covers, they are just a 15mm bolt. And you just spin her off. Yes, this one has a washer on it. I was trying something, didn't quite work, so we're going to replace it. Okay, I'm going to take our cover off. And the old one, this is kind of hard, brittle, no good. Okay, put the old gasket with that one. I got some rags. I'm just gonna wipe off just where the thing goes, the cover. Looks good. I'm gonna wipe off the cover. Alright, and I'm gonna open up one package of very many. They usually come as a set, but they didn't, so I'm actually gonna do the O-ring first. I'm gonna put the O-ring on the bolt so I don't lose it. Just slide it on there. If it goes on tight, that's good. Most of the time. I'm going to take the... You guys probably can't see this. Ooh, nice and new. It is blue, but nothing much I can do about it. Alright, we got it on. First one, usually on a Dodge, the coolant holes wouldn't be right here. But it is. Alright, that feels pretty good. I'm gonna fret her down on there. And just snug her up. Alright. Now I'm gonna do the other 5, enabled high-speed mode now. Okay, I got the lift pump gasket on. That one was a little bit more difficult, so I decided not to film it. I'm actually going to start it up and to see if it will still run, even though I messed with the lift pump. Oh yeah, hello. Ain't seeing any oil yet. They all look really, really good. Man, sirens. But, yeah, so we might also get a different exhaust tip. I found this laying on the side of the road. So, we'll see if we're going to put that on or not. Who knows, there'll be a video out about that. But that is how you change valve cover gaskets on a 1989 12-valve Cummins. If you like this video, give her a big old thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe. And thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one.